Who raised you? Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell. Some people do not have any home training at all. Like, who raised you? I know it wasn't your mama or your daddy or your grandmother or your grandfather, because you are just rude and you have no manners. Yo, it's like the lack of consideration people have is seriously mind-blowing to me. It truly is. Like I said, who raised you? For instance, I was trying to park my car at work. Now, I park in this spot every day when I go to work. Cool, whatever. It's really not a big deal, but it is a big deal to me if somebody took my spot. But anyway, so as I pull up, I see that this car has their door wide open. Why is your door wide open in the first place when you know somebody is going to park next to you? So anyway, so I'm like, all right, maybe they'll see me, maybe they'll end up closing the door. When I tell you this motherfucker had the door open, and excuse my language, like, I even get ready, I fix myself up to go reverse, and the door is still wide open, and I'm like, are we doing this today? Are we serious? So what I do, I get out the car, I'm like, hi, good morning. And the guy's all nice and smiling. He's like, hi, good morning. I'm like, yes, can you close your car door, please, so I can park? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You should be sorry. It's just a lack of consideration. Like, why is your door wide open? If you don't have air in your car, I'm sorry, neither do I. But I don't leave my car door wide open. I wind my window down because I'm a considerate person. It's like the lack of manners, the lack of, even like phone etiquette. People don't have that. And don't even get me started on that. Man, I'll get into that. But it's like the lack of manners, no etiquette. Like, some people, they act like they were raised in the wild. Like, sometimes I make sure I don't act a certain way, because the first thing I think is, if I cut up, I know my mama wouldn't be proud. And I'm grown. I'm very grown, but I wasn't raised a certain way, so I try not to do things that's out of character, out of the way that I was raised. It's just like some people don't care at all, and it's sad. It's really sad. It's not going to stop me from being the person that I am. I'm a very considerate person. I like to think of others. It's not going to stop me, but I'm also going to check the inconsideration, because, like, sir, why are you so inconsiderate with your door wide open? He lucky. When I tell y'all, I was so tempted to keep going, like, real back to the point where I wanted him to close his door, where I was like, this close to hitting it. But I was like, nah, don't do it. Just be nice. Get out the car. But child, if there is a local etiquette class, you teach etiquette class or something, comment, because I promise you people need it. I will share it. And speaking of having no home training, I'm super late with posting this video, so please forgive me. I have no manners, as I'm talking about people having no manners, but at least it's out. Guys, but thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell, what? Hit that bell, so you can get my notifications, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.